your girl Heidi Lew. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed last week's video of my non-conventional ab workouts. This week, we're not going to do any ab exercises, but we're still going to be targeting our abs. What? Yes. What we put into our bodies is just as important as what we do to our bodies. So this week, we're going to be focusing on what we eat. More specifically, what I eat for breakfast. I eat the same thing for breakfast almost every day. I'm a creature of habit. I like what I like, okay? But really, I like to know that I'm starting my day off with a good, healthy, tasty breakfast. It makes me feel good inside and out. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I eat for breakfast. Don't get me wrong, I love donuts and ice cream and pastries and all that junk food, but I also know that I can't eat that on a regular basis if I'm going to maintain my abs. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I eat for breakfast and exactly how to make it yourselves so you can make it at home in your own kitchen. So come on guys, let's get cooking. So these are the 8 ingredients I use for my morning smoothie. So the first ingredient I use in my morning smoothie is a probiotic yogurt. I use Activia. This is a 60-calorie cup size, but the reason why I use Activia is because it only has 6 grams of total sugar and no added sugars. That's so important when choosing your yogurt. A lot of yogurts out there have a ton of sugar, so please check the nutritional facts label. Also, this comes in a 1 cup serving size, which is already measured out perfectly for my morning smoothie. The next ingredient I add is turmeric powder. Turmeric has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. It helps prevent arthritis, it boosts your immune system, it helps in the prevention of cancer, it promotes weight loss, as well as improving skin health. Turmeric can be found in the spice aisle at your local grocery store. The next ingredient I add is simply black pepper. Black pepper I like to think of as the Scottie Pippen of spices, or at least my morning smoothie. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, and piperine helps in the breakdown of turmeric. It helps the body absorb it and keep it in its system longer. That way we are able to get more of the benefits that turmeric has to offer. So, 1 assist for pepper. The next ingredient I add into my smoothie is a fresh ginger root. No, I don't put this whole root in my smoothie, but I do cut off a little piece and mince that piece into tinier pieces and add that into my smoothie. Ginger has been around since ancient times for both cooking and medicine. It's an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiviral, antibacterial, and so many other amazing properties it has. But you may know of one property it has and not even realize it. When you have a tummy ache, your mom may tell you to what? Drink some ginger ale. That's because of the ginger. Ginger helps relieve nausea. So ginger is great to add to your diet. The next ingredient I add is organic baby spinach. I use organic because I'm not cooking the spinach. I'm just blending it. And I want to make sure it hasn't been sprayed with any pesticides or anything like that. Spinach has some amazing properties. It is extremely high in magnesium and potassium, which are 2 very important electrolytes that are needed for everyday human health. It is also great for your hair, skin, eyes. It's a high source of iron and so many other benefits. The next ingredient I add is organic baby kale. I use baby kale because it just blends better. Regular kale doesn't blend as well and it makes the smoothie chewy, and I personally do not like chewy smoothies. Kale is really great because it has high levels of vitamin C. And vitamin C helps the body maintain collagen, and collagen supports our hair, our skin, our nails, our bones. Collagen is what keeps us looking young. So I love kale. The next ingredient I add is organic apple cider vinegar. apple cider vinegar has some really great properties too. So apple cider vinegar helps kill harmful bacteria. It helps lower your blood sugar levels, which helps fight diabetes. And it also helps with weight loss. It reduces belly fat, which is amazing because we're trying to get abs. So apple cider vinegar is definitely something to add to your smoothie. The last ingredient I add is just water. I like to use spring water, but you can use any water that you like. Water is important because it's an essential element to life. I then take all 8 ingredients and put them in a blender, and I blend them all up together. But if you have a NutriBullet or a Vitamix, all of them work the same. Those may even work better, but this is what I have. So I eat 3 things for breakfast along with my smoothie. A tomato is one of them. I love tomatoes because they're high in fiber, but they're also really good for your skin. They help reduce high blood pressure, and they're great for your digestive health. So the next thing I eat for breakfast along with my smoothie is an avocado. I really like avocados because they're great for your eyes. They also help aid in weight loss and digestion. And fun fact, they help prevent bad breath. Well, as long as you don't mix them with onions or garlic and something like that. Avocado, hey. So along with my tomatoes and avocado, I eat eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and they keep you full. I use organic eggs because they have no antibiotics added, no added hormones, no synthetic pesticides. Basically, I'm just reading what's on the label for the eggs, and check that out for yourselves. Next, I just take a pan, a little bit of non-stick olive oil cooking spray, spray the pan, and then I crack my egg and I get cooking. I like my eggs over easy, so that means I cook it sunny side up, and then I flip it over once it's kind of solid a little bit on the bottom, and I let it cook just for a few seconds on the other side. That way it will still be like a little runny in the middle, because I like it like that. But you can make it however you like. So here's my breakfast, the green smoothie we made with just 8 simple ingredients, and the egg, avocado, and tomato. Nastrovia. Now that you guys have seen exactly what I eat for breakfast and my belly is full, I want to see what you guys eat for breakfast. Send me your recipes, put them down in the comments, and I will definitely try some of them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come back next week. I have some top secret tips I want to share with you on how to get those abs. So don't forget, guys, I'm on this fitness journey with you. So don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, but most of all, subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!